Good morning, class 8. As you are all seeing the board, that the name of the chapter is written on the board, that is Payam, the Forest Man of India. Most of you who have attended the class, they know that we have done half of this chapter, but I thought that it will be helpful for those who have not understood the chapter, so I started from the starting. See, I have written some of the notes that is important in your book, and I thought that it will help you to revise this chapter. In 1978, Jadab Payam, a boy of a missing tribal boy, means a small tribal boy, returned to Aruna Sapori. Aruna Sapori was the place where he was born. Aruna Sapori was the place where he was born. And when he returned after class 10, he saw a tragic scene, a depressing scene. He saw more than 100 snakes carved on the deserted sandbar. They were dead. They were dead. Why they were dead? Because due to the flood, the forest cover of that area was washed away, and this led to the death of many creatures that were present there. Payam, at that time, he was only 15 to 16 old, set alone in April 1979 to plant lives, means to plant trees. He set alone. He started alone. He met some of the villagers. Villagers offered him some seeds, some bamboo plants, that is seedlings, and with the help of that, native peoples living there, he started to plant trees. And now, this is the change that 36 years later, he has ripped a forest. Continuously 36 years he worked, and this 36 year he ripped a forest. His father, Lakhi Ram, and mother, Apuholi Payam, sold milk for marriage living to feed their children. They sold milk. In 1965, Delgo, a type of flood, forced Payam and his family to move 12 kilometers away from Aruna Sapori, and they shifted to Majuli. Majuli is another place where they shifted to. Due to acute poverty means a very depressed state of poverty. 5 years at that time, Jadhav was only 5 years. Jadhav was put in the care of Anil Borthakur, means one of the rich man, took Payam with him. He used to stay with him. He remained there, and he took all the means expenses. He gave all the expenses of his studies. After completing 10, he reached again to Aruna Sapori, means that particular village where he used to live. He claims that he has planted 1,360 acres of dense Dacian forest. Means he has planted this much acres of forest. Local inhabitant nicknamed him Molai. He used to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, drive 1 kilometer, means 1 hour bicycle, and then used boat to go through the Brahmaputra river, because these villages were situated at the Brahmaputra river, and after that he used to milk 100 of the cattle that he had kept there, and after that he sell milk, and again completing these work by 9 o'clock he go to the forest and plant forest. This is the routine of that man. that we are reading here. He is one of the hardworking men of the world. Okay. After that, he many cattle that he used to keep. 95 of the cows, buffaloes, and many pigs were eaten by tiger that used to live in his forest. But he never got angry. He told that it is their nature and my nature is to serve them. The forest that Priam grew, now house of 5 Royal Bengal tiger, over 100 deers, wild boars, and herd of 115 elephant visit regularly for 3 to 4 months. This is what a man had did. And for this achievement, he had received many awards, just like Jawaharlal Nehru University awarded him as Forest Man of India in 2012. Century Asia bestowed him the Best Wildlife Service Award. In 2015, he received the Padma Shri award also. These are the awards that he has received for his best work. He used to say only one thing, and the message is tomorrow is another day, and in it lies the seed of many more forests. Means if we all come together, if we all try to plant the forest, then no one can stop us. No one can um, no one can harm us. No one can uh, do anything to us. We should plant trees, and we know that how trees are important to us, how trees are helpful to us. And this is the message that he gave to the young generation, that and young generation is who you are listening to his message, and you should also focus yourself on planting trees. These are the important points. You mark these points, you write it in your copy, and then we will do the exercise of this chapter. Thank you.